So I'm in Bootle Strands. We had to get off the bus early because it said something's happened at Bootle Strands, so I'm just heading my way, just heading down here now. And it looks like something major's happened. Looks like all the road's closed right in front of the Strand, so I'll turn it around and we'll have a look what's going on. Oh, some fella seems to know what's going on then, going past. So it looks like cars can come through this way. But can't go the other way. Not worth asking the police, don't want to let me know anything. Right, don't know if you heard that on camera, drunk driver. There's fire engines and everything down here. Let's get a bit closer. Don't know if this bus is part of it. Just over, see what's going on. So see down there, where the closure is down there. Yeah, so all the buses are being diverted. When I get closer, I'll ask someone what happens. Oh, bloody hell, there's ambulances and everything in the car park of Lidl. So it's not this road where it happens. So, ambulance in the car park here. Door just open, can't see anyone in the back of it. Yeah, there's a car against a tree here. See it there. Trying to work out what's happened now. Where's the cordon here? That black car over the road there is a police car. Two fire engines and the ambulance in the car park, which looks like it's getting off. Another police car here, unmarked. Yeah, it looks like what's happened a while ago. As I said, the bus driver said that it was all diverted when he was on his way from Southport into town. Fire engine getting off. That's it, here's the car here. Oh, yeah. They're both gone off. I don't think there's much more to report, but I will ask someone who's standing around. What's happened?
Run over by a drunk driver.
A kid has been run over.
Yeah, and
Oh,
the
fucking hell.
The mother and the couple of kids have been...
Really?
The pram's being crushed.
Are you alright?
Don't know.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
The pram was popped across the wheel.
Is that the car ticket, yeah?
Yeah, the car's come like the wrong side of the road, but he was the victim there.
Fucking hell.
He's in the back of the police car over there.
Nobody gets the buck thrown at him. Yeah. Yeah. I was just going to the stand to get some meat and yeah, saw the commotion. That's worse than I thought. Kids being hit by a car. Well, a kid and a pram getting pushed by his mum. Both are being hit by a car. Pram's being crushed. They don't know how the kid is. Fucking hell, this is bad news. This. When I heard someone say drunk driver, I just thought he meant he's lost control and hit the tree. Right, so he's in the back of this car here. He's in the back of that car. Oh, the kid and the mum are alright. Didn't think it was going to be that bad. Cordon's being lifted anyway, so they can reopen the roads. So they're traffic cops, aren't they, with the white caps? Cops. I think I'm in America here. So the road's being open. That cordon's completely lifted now. What he's running for, he's going to have a word with the copper. Supposed to be in the back of that car, is he in the back of that one over there, to look at that windows? Must be in that one. Yeah, no one in the back of that one. It must be the back of that one over there with the blacked out windows. Must be in that one. Yeah, I can see someone in the back, I think. No, can't someone in that one either. So, Bootle, Lane, been a road traffic collision between a car and two pedestrians. Best way to describe it. A mum pushing a baby in a pram. Had been hit by a drunk driver. Just can't get me head around it. Who still drinks drives these days? You know, you got to be a total idiot to do that. Come on. Total fucking moron. Just up there, alright. I don't think there's anyone in the back of that car either though. I'm trying to see through the front. I don't think they'd leave him on his own, would they? Right, I'm going to leave it there. Thoughts and prayers with the mum and the baby. Well, stoked to God, they're alright. Right, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye now.